Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this hobby time episode or video, I would like to unbox and share the Dark Ages Interrogator-Chaplain. So this is a plastic miniature made by Games Workshop, so company that owns the Warhammer IP, of course. You probably know this by now. And since I have a Dark Angels army, I would love to add this chaplain to the force. So the basics informations for you if you're looking to purchase this. Obviously I will put links down below. The base price, if you are in United Kingdom, is 18 British pounds from the GW site. If you are from Europe, then you will pay 23 euros. And if you go to third-party retailers, like if I'm not mistaken, I bought this from Triple Helix of Wargaming, and I paid 13.50 British pounds or 15.3 euros. So a really nice saving there. Okay, so let's unbox this. And the most of the older stuff comes in these plastic clamshells. The newer stuff will come in a box. Okay, so we have here the base for the miniature. Here is just a quick, looks like, yeah. Let's take it out. So you will get your instructions inside the box. Sometimes they will come with the miniature, sometimes not, but since this is a monopose miniature, it's not complicated to build. This heart is old, probably by now, old stat lines, since the codexes and the stat lines for the miniatures are updated during the time of the making of this video. As you can see here, and this miniature was produced in 2014. I probably should say the mold was firstly produced in 2014, because this is the mold line. And of course the details are incredible with Games Workshop miniature. So here's the backpack with the brazier. This is his front armor piece or breastplate. The pauldrons with the Dark Angels heraldry symbols, yeah, and his Crozius Arcanum and his power fist beautiful small skulls, and the other part of the cloak probably, and the cloak itself. So yes, and the base. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.